E-bikes continue to lead sales in the bicycle market. The added assist from a small electric motor adds to the price. We also learned from a viewer that assuming your e-bike is covered by insurance can cost you. News 5's Bill Folsom is looking into what you need to know.
Bikes and e-bikes are sold at the same shops. We've learned they're not the same when it comes to insurance coverage. 2 e-bikes suddenly down to 1.
We have renter's insurance and we secured it in a secured bike room and we had it locked up.
The e-bike stolen from the complex where Kimberly Gartner and her husband live.
Stinks, but thank goodness we have renter's insurance. You know, we won't be out the money. Not true.
Insured by Allstate, she called for help.
The way they explained it to me, it was kind of a gray area. If it would have been a regular bike or a mountain bike, it would have been covered.
It felt like a loophole. The frustration went to a higher gear with a mass email a couple of days later.
Hey, we want to make all of our clients aware that e-bikes are a popular thing and people are purchasing them, and now there is there's no coverage for them.
Another few days and an apparent shift of company policy, adding more irritation with a call.
Asking if we would like to insure our other e-bike. So now they are covering them, but they're kind of using us as the example and not doing anything about it.
Does it have a motor? Does it have a throttle? Do you have to pedal it? They're all going to evaluate that differently and tell you what kind of insurance policy it needs to be on.
Independent insurance broker Robert Edgen says e-bike policies are evolving. Because they have an assist, they're not like regular bikes. They're also not the same as a motorcycle.
We can pretty much guarantee that every insurance company is going to look at e-bikes differently and cover them slightly differently, because the Colorado Insurance Commissioner's Office lets every company make up their own rules, their own underwriting, their own coverage.
Like any high-ticket item, Edgen advises a call to your insurance carrier sooner than later.
No one's going to make you insure it. So even if you call, you find out what it costs, you're not forced to put it on there. That's still your choice.
If we can't get reimbursed, then I would like to at least prevent this from happening to somebody else.
E-bike coverage is evolving within the insurance industry. There's a catch you need to know about. If they add it and your policy was signed last year, it won't be updated to have the coverage until your policy renews. In Colorado Springs, Bill Folsom, News 5.